Howdy everybody. How y'all doing this morning? Today is Monday, June the 22nd, we think. And we got 24 orders going out on eBay. So y'all come with us over there. And we got some viewer mail to share with you guys, and Mr. Larry, and a couple of viewer sales. So let's jump right into it. Get over there and get after it. Y'all come on. Alrighty guys and gals. So we got some pretty amazing stuff to show you right here. Mr. Larry over at Larry's Treasures, he actually sent us this picture frame right here. Y'all see that? Roll Tide. He that's my puppy. Got her picture in it right there. And he sent us something else. Y'all ready for this? You ain't gonna believe it. You ready? Check that right there out. Look at this. Alabama National Champions Crimson Tide 2015. It's a golden flake. If y'all don't know what golden flake is, it's a potato chip mainly in the South, and it had potato chips in it at one time, but it's to 10. And see, it's right here where we beat everybody. Now look, Georgia, buddy, we put a whooping on them dogs, 38-10. I'm shocked we even let them get 10 on the board. LSU, look, stomped that bud at 30-16. Clemson got within 5 points of us, but we still spanked that hiney. I mean, just look at all these championships, and that was just up to 2015. They can't hardly fit them all on a 10. So that is awesome. Thank you, Mr. Larry, so very much. Thank you for your service to our country. Can't thank you enough for that. And he's a retired first sergeant and from the United States Army, and he sent us this, so that's very awesome. This right here is going to be where it stays for now. We still got to get us another shelf to hang up there, but that'll come with time. So now we're just going to leave it right here. That way everybody can look at it every single day. And just remember, that tide's going to roll over them. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got 24 items going out on eBay. A couple of viewer sales we'll go over when we get to them. First thing we got to get is a sharper image radio on M4. This right here is a sharper image design CD player, radio type dealio. See it open up like that, and it's got some kind of spotting on it and some scratches. Just closed all that though. This sold for $16.88 plus shipping. Now we got to get a King Cobra women's SSI 55 degree club. King Cobra, see it right there. Wait, no, that's baseball.
It's a bat.
Anyway, this sold for $13.12 plus shipping. I knew that was baseball, by the way, just in case y'all was wondering. Now we sold a road trip DVD. Where are you? Right here, brand new sealed. This sold for $4.08 plus shipping. Now we sold a trinket box on J1. This one right here. Just a little trinket box, a wooden one. See that? These things do pretty good.
We've sold all 3 of them today. I
wouldn't walk past them. They sold for $13.12 plus shipping. Now we sold a backgammon set on M2. Sold a bigger one here. We got that at state sale. If y'all find these for pretty good condition, I mean, they're worth picking up. They all sell eventually. This one sold pretty quick. If you price it right, this sold for $24.38 plus shipping. Now we got to get a Dakota bag on N1B. So this is just a Dakota Toomey bag. See the thing on it right there? And it's cowhide leather, naturally marked. And it's in pretty rough condition, which I just closed all that. I mean, pretty clean on the inside though, really clean actually. Just an old rustic looking bag. Anyhow, this ended up selling for $44.99 plus shipping. I don't know what happened. It's going to Florida. It weighs less than 2 pounds. And the guy paid like $45 shipping. So we're gonna refund him the difference. I mean, that's just crazy. Maybe instead of putting 2 pounds in, I may click 20. But nonetheless, $44.99. He was all in at almost $100. So we're gonna take care of him. Now we sold some makeup on L3.
Okay, let's see. Our box is getting a little full.
That's it. Anyhow, that's it right here. NYX Sculpt and Highlight. Something or another. What's this?
Like eyeshadow.
For your eyes. This for your eyes. $6.74 plus shipping. Now in B1 we got some Mountaineer wash. I see it from here. See it? That's the benefit of having these clear totes. You can kind of see what's in here without digging through them when you're walking up. Whereas them, you can't. You have to pull them out and open them up and dig for it. But this is just a Mountaineer brand beard wash, West Virginia timber. I may have should have kept this and used this for me. Just a 4-ounce bottle. Shake well, it says. This sold for $11.06, free shipping.
Okay, so now we have to pull a black and red shawl. It's in the Posh barrel. Maybe not. This we got $20 plus shipping. Now we need to pull 4 bamboo toothbrushes in B1. We got these 4. And for these, we got $5 plus shipping. These are actually combined shipping because they're going to Eileen. Thank you again for your business, Eileen.
Miss Eileen has bought from us numerous times. We can't thank you enough for this. We hope you enjoy this stuff. Now we got to get a LuLaRoe. This was a good LuLaRoe. It's an M1B-19. Right there on top, buddy. You couldn't get more lucky. It actually weighs over 1 pound, so it's got to go on a PFRE. But this is a LuLaRoe, and this is a 3XL marine dress. Marine something or other.
I think that's how you say it.
$22.99 plus shipping. Now we sold a Superman comic in A1. And this is going out to another special person, friend of the channel. This is Superman in action. Reign of the Superman, the last son of Krypton is back. It's on a card. And this is going out to Mr. Henry, which is Roll It 4 SC, South Carolina. He's been with the channel from almost the get-go. I mean, a good long while. He's one of the OG subscribers. So thank you so much, Mr. Henry. He has coined the phrase C and K to 5K. Thanks a lot, Henry. We sure do appreciate it. We love that thought. I mean, we're more than grateful to be where we're at now, but if we get to 5K one day, we'll be elated. So thank you again. We're going to get this packed up and sent out to you all nice. Next thing we got to get is a wood trinket box on J1. This one right here, kind of an octagon. This is a Murillo El Artigiano. See that? And somebody actually on this one and this one sent me a message yesterday wanting me to do them for like 20 bucks free shipping. I couldn't put best offer on there to take their offer because I'd sent offers out on these within 24 hours. And separate people bought them full price, so I'm happy with that. And this sold for $8.75 plus shipping. Now we got to get a Puppet Master, my last one. This was the torn one, remember. I went back in the listing and disclosed it had some tear on a factory shrink. This ended up selling for $13.65 free shipping. Now we sold a blitzed book on N2. So let's go over here and grab this blitzed book. It's a Lauren Landish. Right here, some kind of secret baby sports romance book. Anyhow, this ended up selling for $9.44 plus shipping. Now we sold 4 Mickey Mouse frames in N5B. I've had these for a while. I'm just grateful they're gone. Oh my God, they're gonna be broke. We buried them under all these books. Them picture frames is broke. I'm telling you what, they broke. Not broke, that's good. Not broke. Not broke. Heck yeah, they are not broke. I thought for sure them things is gonna be broke. So it's this Mickey Mouse pewter frame, this Mickey Mouse in his little Fantasia deal, this Winnie the Pooh, me and my honey, and this one says Our Vacation at Disneyland. Had these for a good while. Glad they finally sold. Took an offer on these for $15.90 plus shipping. The next thing, we sold some Topps cards. Right here. Baseball cards, 2011 complete set. Got the Mickey Mantle card in there. Gold chrome card. And these are new CLD, sold for $61.42 free shipping. 1, 2, 3, action.
Now we have sold a Hawthorne 12 Oaks Gone with the Wind. 12 Oaks, that's just a big one. And of course we're not sending it in this box. This sold for $12.49 plus shipping. Next, we sold 2 Godzilla figures. And so they are right here. We'll just pull them backwards off the shelf. So for these, we sold them for $26.86 plus shipping. Next, we sold a Michael Kors crossbody purse, and it is in L4A. As y'all can see, it's not a very big one. And for this, we sold it for $22.02 plus shipping. Now we need to pull 5 Jurassic World little surprise pack. So we need to pull 5 of these. And for these, we sold them for $17.75, free shipping. Now we need to pull 3 Mortal Kombat figures in B1. Oh, as you can see, there is 2 of the same, and then 1 girl. We sold these for $12.01 plus shipping. Now we sold a Atlas pasta maker off of M4. And for this, we sold it for $52.49 free shipping. So if you see these, pick them up. Now, but not least, we sold another wood little trinket box off of J1. I do believe it is this one. It's got a little mirror in it. And it's got a little turtle. And for this, we sold it for $12.59 plus shipping. So these are all of our orders that are going out.
And we're going to get all this stuff packed up and sent out. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we're starting a shipping process now. Let's see how long it takes to pack up 24 orders. We'll come back to you as soon as we're done. Alrighty, all the packing and shipping's done. She's printing the labels out. See her through there? Printing the labels out to put on the packages. And it is currently 5 till 10, so just under an hour, I think it was. Not too bad. Y'all like where I got my new flag? I'm thinking about hanging that one up like that too. And I can put me another one right here. Alrighty, guys and gals, that's gonna do it for this video. We got the packages, as y'all can see them back there, ready to be mailed off. We got to drop them on our porch. Thank every one of our YouTube viewers for all the love and support y'all have shown us by watching us and subscribing, hitting a thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. Which brings me to my next point. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for us.
If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
And we shall see you guys and gals sometime tomorrow. See y'all.